In this video tutorial, we are going to show you how to delete unwanted page in Microsoft Word. We will show you the 4 different ways to delete unwanted page, the blank page, or the page where the text is written. If you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Here is my 4 different pages, page 1, page 2, here is a blank page and page 4. Let me zoom in. Here is page 1. Here is page 2, here is page 3. Generally, we click on the blank page and press the backspace and delete the unwanted blank page. But sometimes it does not work properly. What I have to do? My first trick is pressing backspace to delete the unwanted page. So let me show the second trick. Let me go to View, click on Navigation pane. Here is the page. You will see page 1, page 2, the page 3 blank page and the page 4. If I click on this one, the blank page, and click on delete button, page 3 will be deleted, and here you will see the 3 page 1, page 2, page 3. So let me click Ctrl Z to back the blank page. Uncheck the navigation pane. Our third trick is, let me go to Home. Here you will see a icon show hide. So if I click on this, you will see here is the blank page and here is the page break. Let me select this, and if I simply click the delete key, my blank page will be deleted, and if I click on this is now looking good. Here we've already seen the 3 trick where the blank page has been deleted. But if we want to delete a page where the text is available, if I go to View, if I click on navigation pane, and if I want to delete this page where the text is written, if I click on delete, you will see here the text is removing but the page is not deleting. So what I have to do actually? Let me uncheck the navigation pane. If I want to delete the page number 2 here, if I want to delete this, let me click any one of this page. Let me press Ctrl G / and write page. If I click on go to, you will see the page has been selected, the page number 2. Let me click on close and simply press the delete key. Then you will see the page has been deleted. Here the page number 1, here the page number 4. So my page number 2 has been deleted. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.